How to add categories on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add categories on Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. This is my Shopify store admin and I'll show you how to add categories to a product on Shopify. So for that, we will have to go to the product option right here. Click on products and it will give you sub options. We have inventory, transfers, and collections. Collections are categories. They are known as collections on Shopify. So here you'll be able to see your different pages that you have and the number of products you have created. In order to create a new collection or a category, you're going to click on create collection option. And here we'll create a new collection. So let's go ahead and create a winter collection. Now we have to enter a description. And then we have a collection type, if it's going to be manual or automated. You can see add products to this collection one by one, or if you want to actually get bulk products and match different conditions and different variants to a collection. So I'm going to go with manual here, or we can go with automated. When it comes to automated, you will have to select a condition such as a product tag is equal to or any other condition. Or if you click on manual, then your work is done. You can see the search engine right here as well has a collection name available. I can also select a collection image, so let's do that. So I have added this image. Similarly, I can go with a collection availability as well. Now I'm going to click on save and a new category or a collection will be created on my Shopify store. And you can see this is what it looks like. Now I have a collection. I can add products in it. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the product section. Select the product, open up the product, then you will select the collection from here. I'm going to select my new collection that I just created. Click on save and the product will be added to the collection. This is how you create category or a collection on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.